Gonna play some game of this game. I saw the update, the backrooms update. Everything changed. The X is over there now, and like being yeah, I don't get hit for no reason. It gotta be the lag or something, cause I don't know. Yeah, it's doing damage now. Good job. And now I'm gonna go easy this time. Two, two. See, guys, now that you have the levels of your math, this game should make us stronger. I'm gonna juke him. I just punched me. Let's go medium. That's 10. Yes! Hard. 100. That gotta be 50. No? Oh wait, I messed my math up. It's 50. You cannot hurt me. That's fine. Then what it yo. Yo guys, I'm about to rage freaking quick. I only get 2 of my arms and I'm already have no legs. I'm dead. You ain't think if I think twice. You cannot hurt me, I'm smarter than your my poor leg. I'm joking, guys. No way, I'm about to break your ankles. Miss, we can have Gojo. Oh, he blew my. It's gonna be hard. I'm gonna show my bounty. Duh, what? You cannot hurt me. What's that? The heck? I have 200. The reason why I don't want this little girl. Alright. Black flash me! Sir, that was weak! Oh, I'm my. I need to do 5 more to do. How do I get boogie woogie? I'm so tired. Boogie hit me. Again. Okay, now let's do hard. 60, 100, 50, 50. Guys, this game is like basically like how you're focusing math. Okay, I mean it's not that even hard, guys. Like if you do it hard mode. I mean, then it's gonna be hard. Got you, guys? Yeah, you just saw me just got flung up in the air. So yeah, we do that. We do hard, right? Now this one's 100, 50. This one's gonna be 50, 100. See, it's not that even hard. You just got to like think super hard. So you got my health instead, guys. Guys, we only need one more. Then we're done. Hey, yeah. Hard. 24. 24. I got hit black flash. 10 times. Daily week. I got the Sakuras 10 times. Use boogie woogie tool 10 times. Cut me. This one's starting. What? I don't know how you get boogie woogie. Weapons plus abilities. Equip. Red. Equip. Dismantle. Equip. Flashback. In a knife. Combat knife. No. I mean, a boogie woogie person. Me, my boogie woogie. And dismantle. Wait a minute. Show me one time. Bro. Yeah, I get to see it. Yes, we get to see. Guys, he's wanted. There's no hurting it. Boogie woogie. Dismantle. raccoon. That's raccoon. I mean, what? Guess this is the final one, and then I'm done with this video, guys. Okay, anyways, guys, goodbye and bye-bye.